Just another real quick video on tool truck rebranding. Picked up this Snap-on brake bleeder used pretty cheap because it was missing the tank and the housing was cracked. Can you see it there? So it just wasn't creating a suction. But like I said, I picked it up so cheap, like it was worth it. Because really the only complaint I had with the Speedy Back was the rib grip really isn't the most comfortable, and this one obviously has this rubber overmold. It's nitpicking, but like I said, I got it so cheap that it was worthwhile. Yeah, I just figured I'd show it, so you can kind of see the options out there. If you stumble on a deal, might not necessarily be in functioning condition, but like I said, here I took my Speedy Back and repaired the Snap-on one. Now I just have like spare parts if need be, or this housing right here can pop off, and it's pretty much just a vacuum. Yeah, thanks.